Hi, my name is Stanley Akuttey. I'm a data scientist with a passion for unraveling insights from complex data landscapes and also a learner at the African Leadership Accelerator Program, that is ALX. So before becoming a data scientist, I worked as a website developer. I designed websites for businesses ranging from simple to complex websites using WordPress and then some HTML and CSS. As a data scientist, I design predictive models and algorithms through in-depth analysis of raw and messy data to help businesses draw out valuable insights from their day-to-day transactional data. My background in web analysis and web development, coupled with my ability to transform raw data into actionable insights, and then my ability to deliver exceptional results in real-world cases, makes me the best person to go to in terms of your data needs or solutions for your business data. My expertise cuts across data extraction, data exploration, data analysis, predictive modeling, and data modeling. What sets me apart is not just my technical proficiency, but my ability to translate raw data or messy data into actionable narratives that empower businesses in their day-to-day growth, giving them the ability to innovate and excel. If you are looking for a data scientist who would not just analyze your complex data, but decipher it in order to decode patterns that drive strategic decisions, leveraging on tools like Python, SQL, Power BI, Tableau, R, and machine learning techniques, in order for your business to innovate, excel, and then maximize its full potential, look no further. Connect with me and explore how my strategic data insights can fuel your organization's growth and transformation. Thank you.